Have you ever felt stuck on a concept or unsure about an assignment, wishing you could just get a little one-on-one guidance? That feeling of needing a quick clarification, but not knowing where to turn, is incredibly common. What if there was a dedicated time set aside just for you to get those questions answered directly by your instructor? Well, there is. It's called office hours, and mastering how to use them can truly transform your academic experience. Effectively using office hours for your questions means approaching these dedicated times with preparation and purpose. This isn't just a casual chat. It is a valuable opportunity for personalized learning and clarification, allowing you to bridge gaps in your understanding and deepen your engagement with the course material. The primary reason office hours are so powerful is that they offer direct, individualized access to your instructor outside of a busy lecture setting. In a classroom, an instructor might manage dozens or even hundreds of students, making it hard to address every specific question. During office hours, however, the focus is entirely on your needs, enabling a deeper dialogue that can uncover misunderstandings and provide tailored explanations that are often impossible in a group setting. To make the most of this invaluable resource, start by identifying specific questions or areas of confusion. Do not just show up saying, "I don't understand anything." Instead, pinpoint the exact problem, like, "I am struggling to differentiate between these two concepts," or "Could you walk me through the steps for this type of problem?" It is helpful to write these questions down along with any attempts you have made to solve them, even if those attempts were unsuccessful. Showing your instructor your thought process, even if flawed, helps them understand where you are getting stuck. Next, try to anticipate potential follow-up questions your instructor might ask and prepare for those too. For example, if you are asking about a complex formula, be ready to explain what each variable represents or why you chose a particular approach. This demonstrates proactive learning and respect for your instructor's time. Also, consider bringing relevant materials, such as your notes, textbook, or the assignment itself, so you can easily refer to them during your discussion. A key insider tip is to think of office hours as a mini consultation. Many students only attend when they are completely lost or facing a deadline. However, you can also use them to explore advanced topics, discuss career advice related to the subject, or get feedback on early drafts of projects. This proactive engagement, often called an active learning approach, can significantly enhance your grasp of the material and your overall academic performance, moving beyond just solving immediate problems to fostering genuine understanding. By approaching office hours with clear, organized questions and demonstrating that you have already put in effort, you will not only get the precise answers you need but also build a stronger connection with your instructors. This thoughtful engagement transforms office hours from a last resort into a powerful, strategic tool for academic success, helping you clarify complex ideas and feel more confident in your learning journey.